Welcome to the Canadian Guide to Mortgages. Buying a home is a big decision that requires a huge financial commitment. But is it right for you? Should you rent or buy? Can you afford it? And is buying a property really the right choice for you? When comparing owning to renting, you need to know what the bottom line is. Add up all the numbers, including the cost of your home, the size of your down payment, utilities, interest rates, and insurance. Then, compare it to how much you would spend on rent. But also consider the fact that buying allows you to build equity. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons. Some advantages to renting include the ability to move whenever you need to. All you need to do is give your landlord notice. As a renter, you don't need to worry about things like fixing faucet drips, mowing the lawn, or doing major repairs. Plus, there's little upfront costs because you only need to have 1 to 2 months rent for deposit and security fees. On the other hand, renting means abiding by your landlord's rules. For example, they may ask that you allow access to your suite with 48 hours notice, or you may only be allowed to use the laundry on certain days. Renting also restricts your ability to personalize your space. And perhaps the biggest question mark is whether it makes sense for you to be paying somebody else's mortgage. Buying also has its pros and cons. Buying definitely requires a long-term commitment. If you're a world traveler or haven't decided where you would like to put down roots, buying may not be the right choice for you. Buying also requires that you have a down payment, which for many people takes years to save up for. And don't forget that as a homeowner, you are responsible for all the repairs, big and small. But buying has major advantages too. Financially speaking, owning a home allows you to build equity. Whether you live in the house yourself or use it as a rental income, home ownership is an investment. If you decide to buy, you can truly make your house a home. Renovate and decorate it to exactly your tastes, and live in a home that reflects your style. There are many more pros and cons to home ownership. Take some time to weigh the benefits of renting and buying before making your decision. If you decide that buying is the right choice for you, there is still the question of finances. Can you afford this? Some things that play into this equation are the size of your down payment, the cost of the house, your monthly income, your monthly debt for things like car payments, student loans, and credit cards, and of course, interest rates. Check out the rest of this video series to find out more about buying a home and how you can pay down your mortgage faster.